Hey, and today we're playing Subway Surfers. And this is part 2 of Subway Surfers. So we're waiting for it to load. Okay, so it's loading. We'll just go to me. Just looking at the people you can get. Okay, that's just weird. I'm gonna just use him. I'm gonna use him. Just buy that. I'm gonna play. Okay, I'm gonna buy a head start. There. Resume. I'm gonna use it. Resume. He caught me. Decide. This game is like, it's easy. But when you start getting over to other stuff, it gets harder. More obstacles and stuff. But yeah, I'm trying to beat a high score. Let's see if I can beat a high score. Oh, I died. Save me. Just buy another head start. Fuck these. Oh, are you serious? Yeah, I'm just buying another one. Okay. Bye. Yeah, so I can just keep going. Oh, that was just, ooh, that just looked like it hurt. Okay, my score was that 18,933. Let me go to Boost, see if I should buy some stuff. It couldn't connect to the Amazon store because my internet not working. Because my mom probably turned it off. Yeah, she probably turned it off. So I'm just gonna Boost and buy stuff with my coins. Man, that's just so boring. Just buying stuff with your coins, so boring. Buy one of these. Oh, I got a hoverboard. Buy another one. I got one key. And I'm gonna double it while watching the video.
We need you on the case.
Here's the file. White male,
What?
45 years old.
Search the scene. See what you can find. Hey, good catch.
I'll take it to the lab.
What in the
Gotcha.
world?
A fingerprint. And we got our killer.
Good work, detective.
What?
Now, I have another case for you. Criminal case. Download now and start catching criminals today.
Okay, that's the most weirdest game for kids. Okay, I'm just gonna play another round. Oh, I almost died. Yeah, I'm not gonna jump, or if this happens. Oh, I thought that was a train. Respawn. Ooh, the jetpack. That will come in handy. Okay, that was pretty cool. I kind of don't like the bouncy shoes because sometimes they mess you up. When you're doing like a jump, they kind of mess you up sometimes. No! I missed a box. A present box. Ooh! If that happened in real life, you would have died. Okay? I'm gonna play one more round. Fuck, he running slow now. Ooh, a letter Z. And zoom. Oh. No, I tried to trick him by jumping, so he would think I was jumping and he'd get by train, but I guess that doesn't work in this game. I wish you could just trick them, then they just leave. And you don't gotta run no more, so you just like. They need to have a point where you beat the game. You run so far that they stop running after you, and you just beat the game. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Almost lost. I don't get it, like, how? Well, why would it be trains where you're running? Like, why are you even running where trains are? Why don't you just run the sidewalk, like, or the street or something? You gotta be running on train tracks? Like, seriously? Ooh! Wow. Yum, that looked like it hurt. Okay, that's it for part 2, and see you next time.